Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is here, and it's making waves in the compact SUV segment with its signature blend of style, performance and practicality. Whether you're a longtime fan of the CX-5 or just exploring your options, this vehicle brings something for everyone. Today we're diving deep into what makes the 2025 Mazda CX-5 a standout choice. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The CX-5 remains true to Mazda's Kodo, soul of motion, design philosophy, but with some fresh updates that give it a modern edge. The sleek lines, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights combine to create an elegant yet sporty profile. New for 2025 are several eye-catching paint options, including a vibrant, deep crystal blue and a refined platinum quartz metallic, both of which enhance its upscale appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 CX-5 offers two engine options. The standard powertrain is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder that delivers a balanced 187 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque. For those who crave more excitement, there's the turbocharged 2.5-liter variant, which ramps up the output to an impressive 256 horsepower with premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. Mazda's i-Activ all-wheel drive system comes standard across the range, offering excellent grip and control in all weather conditions. Step inside and the cabin is nothing short of luxurious. Premium materials like soft-touch plastics, leather upholstery in higher trims, and real wood accents create a refined atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features a sleek 10.3-inch infotainment display, controlled by a Mazda's intuitive rotary dial. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and a new wireless charging pad is available for added convenience. One of the standout features is the available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system, which transforms the interior into a personal concert hall. Passenger comfort is a priority in the CX-5. The redesigned seats provide excellent support for long drives, while rear passengers benefit from increased legroom compared to previous models. With 59.6 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded down, the CX-5 easily handles everything from groceries to weekend gear. An optional hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Mazda's design philosophy, and the 2025 CX-5 is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest version of i-Activ Sense, Mazda's suite of advanced safety technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert come standard. Additionally, the newly added traffic jam assist takes the stress out of stop-and-go traffic by providing semi-autonomous driving support. On the road, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 delivers a driving experience that sets it apart from the competition. The steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned to provide a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the CX-5 feels composed and engaging. For 2025, Mazda has also enhanced the sound insulation, ensuring a quieter cabin, even at highway speeds. Mazda has always focused on delivering vehicles that are not only practical but also fun to drive, and the CX-5 embodies this ethos perfectly. With its combination of style, performance, and cutting-edge features, it appeals to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a reliable family SUV, a daily commuter, or something that adds a bit of excitement to your drive, the 2025 CX-5 checks all the boxes. As we wrap up, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to shine as one of the best options in its class. Its timeless design, engaging driving dynamics, and comprehensive list of features make it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a compact SUV. If you haven't already, head to your local Mazda dealership for a test drive. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more automotive content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the CX-5 stands out to you the most? Until next time, drive safe and take care.